Hello everyone, this is what Disneyland Hong Kong looks like in the evening. It is currently 6:30 in the evening.
刚才那 exit 旁边没有咩？
Is it pumping?
在 exit 的旁边这样。应该 cruise 去看就行了。
这边有一个猴子。Just 等下去看。In a couple of hours, it will be these fireworks, so that will be in the next video.
Utopia。
这边就 Fantasy Land。
里面有东西要 chop 嘛？
等下去看有。Still lots of people here at the moment. The crowd is getting more at this point of time. I think everyone's waiting for the fireworks. I've been here since 10 a.m. so it has been close to 6 hours or 7 or 8, somewhere there. Still have some battery on my phone, but not a lot. Some battery on my power bank. Now also searching for some stamps to chop the passport so that later I can get this golden medallion. 是不是还很亮？是不是还很亮？We are now approaching Toy Story, this area. This is what it looks like at night. It's quite lively still. Woody is there.
Oh, well, pull my string. You must be the new toys. Welcome. I'm Sheriff Woody. You've got a play date with Destiny.
Hello. 哦，我也是要上选手再去考虑。
The seafood diet.
There is a lot more people here at Disneyland at night, especially at this point of time, as compared to during the day. Because some of the ride here, it seems like the queue gets longer as it gets later. 这个好像刚才附近也是有个。啊？因为晚上比较美呀。
那 app 有在看吗？哪里？呢個 Carol 成日就永遠都唔係太多人，因為佢 case 好多人，我哋之後玩嘅啦。你好想玩？唔係啊，冇乜嘢做。
It's around 6:30 in the evening. It's quite dark here in Hong Kong at 6:30, and in a couple of hours is the fireworks.
好，我去开。
哦。
完了。分得火嘛？
等得火来了，
那比较低一点，高一点。
如果要去高。You see Gary from Zootopia, he's hanging around here. This is the area where you can see lots of Zootopia characters.
Gary。
有可能里面有。At the moment, I'm here also searching for some stamps for my Disney passport because I need to fill up everything inside to get this souvenir, the golden medallion. Hmm? 它是。对，然后在我们没 explore 过里面嘛。对了，可以来。
算了。
对，我去里面问一下看。哦，那 mountain。 bit hungry at the moment, so I'm going to get some food from this Lucky Nuggets. It's quite fast because everything is already ready. It's almost time for me to order. This is what I ordered. Some chips here. Some it's like this salad. Um, with French fries and this fried potato and stuff inside. Just a small meal for dinner. Mm. 去问一下。Fantasyland 一个，还有一个是 Frozen 要一个就 OK 了，还有一个 Main Street 的。
那可能比较贵。Toy Story 哈，没有人排，有人排队。
有那边。
就有人排。
一切安全，各小隊準備跑道。
都第名。对的本。
小心月
有人排。
去咯。我进去问一下看。哦，那边好像。要不要去这个？
啊？
这个？哦，45分。
在哪里？
这边过 left side。小会过好像。 到前面有一个 cute kid 的 snowman 好像在那边。
佢冇電啊？冇電啊？係啊。
怎么你们还没有亏你的开手啊？It is currently around 8:30, so in another 1 hour, it's going to be the fireworks. So I need to make sure to get all the stamp in the Disney passport as fast as I can. 啊，对。
他在那边不是吗？
啊，这样子可以去 Main Street 先咯，因为 Main Street 好像在旁边，就 Fantasyland。
在 retail 那边啊。
啊，对对对。
哪个 boot 呢？
啊？
哪个？
要去找。Alright, this vlog will end very soon. Thank you very much for watching. The next video will be the last part of this Disneyland tour and the fireworks before I go back to the hotel. Thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it.
哪里？
这边是 Fantasyland。
对，这个就是刚刚
在做哈。
啊？
对吗？对。
什么？
这边可以去哪里？
在那个 Main Street 是我们进来的。
对，要走哪里？
看一下。